Steve Jobs founded Apple. Bill Gates founded Microsoft. And on April 1st, 2022, Dan On found the perfect chair at an IKEA. You might be thinking, well, it can't be more comfortable than those crazy expensive Herman Miller chairs, can it? Well, here's footage of me reviewing a $2,000 Herman Miller Cosm and a $1,000 Herman Miller Sail. Just look at which chair I chose to sit in for the majority of those reviews. So yes, it's that good. This is the Flasit, but it should be called the Flasit. It also kind of looks like Flasit, but it should be called Erect AF. If you're worried about this chair absorbing booty juices, don't be. This is Swedish engineering. Flasit stands for fart looms around seat instead of through it. Tall people are always complaining, oh, there's no seat designed for tall people. What, winning the genetic lottery wasn't enough for you, huh? But even I have to admit that this is the perfect chair for you tall freaks of nature out there. When you sit in it, you'll be at the same height as those who are genetically designed to be less prone to be knocked over by strong winds when they sit in a typical but lesser office chair. If you're short, learn how to type on the keyboard without looking at the keys. It's 2022 for God's sake. Only then will you be qualified to sit on this masterpiece. Each seat comes with unique, sophisticated modern art. It may look like my 5-year-old drew on it, but I assure you, if you're qualified to buy this chair, send $20 to entouragemedia@gmail.com. You're welcome.
This is my actual PayPal address, but this is an April Fool's joke. If you send money, you will not get it back, nor will you receive a chair, but I will send a nice thank you note.